So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in Xbox. Now you're going to click on app settings. And then once this comes up, you're going to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you're going to click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. You want to reset the Xbox application. For the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. Now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.